fun. I have a tow truck on the way for the CL because I was gonna go do some cleaning yesterday with it, just to start under the engine bay, and the oh, now it's working. Car has an ignition problem right now, and if we sit here long enough, it's just gonna absolutely die. It turns off. I've looked into it. There's an issue with the ignition switch on these cars. It's kind of notorious for that. And when it does die, you can try starting it repeatedly and it's just kind of a fluke. It'll, you know, you can crank it 5 different times and then the 6th time it'll start or whatever. But I don't trust it. I need this car to go 15 miles to the mechanic. And last thing I want is to be stuck in the middle of a busy intersection or 4-lane freeway and, you know, have to pull over. There's an example of trying to restart it. It just makes no attempt at all to idle. So yeah, let's wait for the tow truck. All right, dropping her off. Hi my friends, welcome back to Hanman Auto Care in Tempe, Arizona. Got the CL back. It's been here for, I don't know, a week or so. Did a timing belt, water pump, the ignition switch obviously, which was what went bad, why it had to be towed in here. But let's fire it up and we're gonna take this thing home, and then I'll finally get a start on doing some detail work. I haven't even had a chance to wax this thing yet or anything. So it's good to go. There's the final hit list: timing belt, balance belt, water pump, coolant, both tensioners, upper and lower timing covers, cam seal, blah, 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 VTEC reseal, valve adjust, rethread the valve cover bolt threads, and replace the ignition switch. My vanity plate for the CL finally came in, and I'm pretty excited about this one because it matches the car. So Barrett-Jackson, for those who haven't heard of it, is an auction house that's been around for over 50 years. They have a huge Scottsdale, Arizona presence. Millions of dollars worth of cars auctioned off every year, and it's coming up in January, but I think this will look good on here, so let's get it installed. Looks good. One of my many traditions when I buy and own a car is to have it digitally rendered as artwork by my friend Darren. He runs a website called idrewyourcar.com. So he not only gives you the digital imaging that you can use to frame or print or whatever, but you can also go to his store and buy merchandise with your logo or car. So I actually have a few greeting cards on the way. They're gonna have this 99 CL on them. Pretty cool. I'm keeping it pretty simple with the undercarriage detail on this. They're not super rusty. So all I did was the perimeter of the hub there. And I'll probably do the same here on the back wheel, except you see how maybe it's bad lighting, but this is pretty rusted looking. So I'll just clean that up a bit. Then I'm gonna treat the car to a 1-step cleaner wax. And by the way, say hello to my buddy Jack's RSX that I'm car sitting for a week or two while he's gone for Thanksgiving travels. You can see how discolored the outer rim is here. That's basically what I'm working to refinish.